Hey guys! Welcome back to Digirty WinX DVD channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to trim unnecessary parts out of a video instantly without re-encoding. At the mention of trimming video, you might have 100 reasons to do so. For uploading to YouTube, for saving storage space, for instantly sending or for email as an attachment, etc. But how to trim your videos? Online video cutter is certainly a choice. But when you have no internet or your video exceeds the site size limit, it becomes a chicken rib. Not to mention that you have to wait long for uploading and downloading your every video. While desktop video trimmer like WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe makes you free from such troubles. It also allows batch video cutting with or without re-encoding at 47x real-time fast speed. Here we go to learn how to trim video using WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. Firstly, free download WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe from its official site. You can find the URL in description. Launch it. Drag and drop or click Add Video to load your source video. Then the Output Profiles window pops up automatically. Choose an output format and click OK. If you'd like to trim video without re-encoding, tick on the box of Auto Copy. If not, let it alone. Now, click on the Scissors Edit button. Choose Trim Column. And tick on the box of Enable Trim. Then you can set the start and end time of your video by typing the accurate timing, or slide the slider on the timeline. When it's set up, tap Done button, or Apply to All button if you have several videos to cut at the same timeline. Certainly, even if you want to trim unwanted segments of your videos in batch, you're still recommended to repeat the cutting process manually instead of tapping the Apply to All button. This will help you avoid the possible inaccuracy clip cutting. In the main interface, click Browse button to select an output folder if necessary. Then tap Run button to start trimming your video clips. Thanks to the hardware acceleration tech, the process will be accelerated to 47x real-time faster. You see, cool, it's finished. Let's play it. It's only 2 minutes 17 seconds as I said. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumb and subscribe for more awesome video tutorials. We're also pleased to receive any feedbacks from you. Feel free to write them down in the comment. See you in the next video.